Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how I make these delicious shortbread cookies. So for this simple recipe, I used flour, sugar, butter, and salt. Start with sifting the flour, add salt, and mix it. Cut the butter and make sure that the butter is cold. Put it in a bowl and cream it. Add sugar to the creamed butter and continue to mix it. Now add flour and mix it again. And our goal is to create a dough which has a crumb-like consistency. Continue to knead the dough until it stops crumbling. But be careful to not over knead it, as you will activate the gluten and the cookies will become tough. Place the dough in an oven dish, and I prepped my oven dish with parchment paper, and that helps to remove the cookie out of the dish when it comes out of the oven. And don't be afraid to spread out the dough because it will rise quite a bit in the oven. Cut the cookies. This makes it easier to cut them when they come out of the oven. So poke some holes in the cookies. This helps the steam to get out of the dough so that it doesn't bubble in the oven. And bake it in a preheated oven of 175 Celsius for about 30 minutes. And here it is out of the oven. It is still hot, and this is the perfect time to cut the cookies because once they cool down, they will set and become a bit harder. And there you have it. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.